Hi guys, good afternoon. It's hot Sunday afternoon and happy Sunday to you guys. I promised you guys in my last video that I'm going to make wax, show you guys how to make wax. So today is Sunday afternoon and I'll be making a wax and I will take you guys along with me so you guys will see how I make my wax. And thank you guys for stopping by, and for those of you that watched my last video, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. And don't forget to on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post my video. Alright guys, let's head to the kitchen. So guys, this is 1.5 cup of sugar, and this is the juice from the lemon. As you can see, it's not even much. So this is the juice from the lemon, and this is what I'm going to be using. So let's go straight to the gas. So guys, next thing is going to the stove. I have my pot on, so I'm going to add some water inside my pot. It's not up to 1 cup of water, but you just watch and see. So guys, I've added my water inside the pot. As you can see, it's not much, it's more like a half cup, exactly this size of cup, half cup. That's what I added in. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my sugar, then my sugar. So I'm going to go in my sugar, then I'll put in my lemon. Guys, this is my lemon juice, so I'm going to go in with my lemon juice. So once I do this, I have to keep stirring. I'll keep stirring it until it forms the wax. So guys, I'm going to keep stirring. Yeah. My spoon is small, but I'll keep stirring. Can't find it that spoon. I'll keep stirring until it gets thick. It starts to stick to my spoon. Okay, I'll keep stirring until it starts to stick to my spoon. The water is a bit thick, but not really thick. And don't just try, and you can use your eyes. Just like our mothers, you use your eyes to measure it. Okay, you can use your eyes to measure it and see the quantity of water you're adding. Don't add too much water. Don't add too much water. So I'll keep stirring it. I'm using this old pot because it's going to be messy. So I'll keep stirring it until it starts to stick to my spoon. And I don't think I'll keep holding my one this way stirring, but I'll be showing you guys from time to time. So I'm going to keep stirring it off camera. Okay. Have here, this is what we have here. We have our wax. Okay, I'm going to off it now. I'm going to put it off now. Really sticky. So I'm going to put it off. It's even almost burning. So I'm going to put it off. Then if you have your container, make sure you have something like ceramics or glass. Don't use plastic because it's very hot. So you turn it over to your whatever container you're going to use to store it, and boom, allow it to cool down. And once it cools down, you have your wax. So I'll show you guys when it cools down and when the heat is down. I have to turn it off. I have to change to my container. So I'll show you guys when it's cool. I'll show you guys what it's like. Okay. So guys, this is the end result of my wax. You see? Let me see how it is. You see how it is. You see how it is. So I will allow it to cool down a little Then